So I've just drove 200 miles from Glendale, Los Angeles, and we're in Valley Wells rest area on the way to Vegas, and it is absolutely beautiful here. Let's just have a look. There's two more cars coming in there. They're coming in for a rest, and we've got quite an amazing car there just pulling off. There's our motor. It looks really smart, and we're in the absolute middle of nowhere here. We're just in the desert. It's phenomenal, really. Let's have a look at the car there. It does look really good, and that's just done 200 miles. So it's Chrysler Pacifica, and it is an EV one as well, so it's petrol and electric. It's what they call a hybrid, but it's not a self-charging hybrid, so we're just using the petrol side of it. But yeah, it really does look a spectacular car, and I really do like the colour of it as well. So Daryl's just gone to the toilet. I'll probably go after when he gets back, and he's probably just having a look around the rest area as well while he's there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, there's actually 4 big trucks on here. There's like a caravan being towed by a pickup truck as well. But just look at the actual view you've got, and it just shows you where you actually are in the Mojave Desert here. There's nothing around us apart from this rest area here. And there's Daryl on his way back. What have you seen?
Looked at the different signs.
So I'm just going to walk here now and have a look and just see what we can see. We have got some picnic tables there, so you can pull up and have a picnic. There is a sign here, I think. I'm just going to have a look at it, and I think it does say something about rattlesnakes. Let's just have a look at that. So caution, there may be rattlesnakes in this area. Rattlesnakes are active at night during the summer. They will seek out shady places during the heat of the day. Children should be aware not to go near any snakes. So yeah, we've got rattlesnakes here. And there's your picnic tables. And there's your Valley Wells resting station. Let's head a little bit further in and have a look. So we've got all different kinds of vending machines apparently here. Let's just check them out and have a look. And we're in the open desert here as well. Look at that. It just looks amazing. And here's your vending machines, and they're actually in big cages, so you can't pinch anything out of them. That's amazing. You can't really even see what they've just got. Water. I don't suppose they can have anything like chocolate or anything here, because it would just melt in the heat of the desert. So yeah, you've got a big shaded area there. Keep the sun off you as you are here. So this is only going to be a small film, because there isn't a great deal to film here, but we'll show it to you and put it out live. I'll just use the gents, so I'll be back in a minute. So we've got a few signs here. There's a picture of a car. It's showing you the road, the train, some of the bridges, Californian transportation. And then there's another sign there, just showing you things like the Hollywood sign and water sports, off-highway vehicles. And then we've got, like I say, another couple more signs here and places you can visit there. They've got the Golden Gate Bridge on there, and there's a couple more signs here as I head back to the car. So I've enjoyed my little stop there and my little rest. Look at this sign here and the tree on it. What they have to do, look, they have to put spikes on the top that stops the birds from landing on the sign and making a mess on it. So I'm virtually back to the car now. So like I say, I've enjoyed my rest, little rest area there. We've had a quick look at Valley Wells. I'll just show you around again now before I end this film. So as I've said, it is in the middle of the desert. We are now going to get back in the car and start heading more into the Vegas area. So thanks for watching this film, and I've enjoyed making it for you, and we'll see you soon. And Daryl's talking to Mum there. Let's just zoom in on the car and have a look at it before I end the video. So let's jump in and let's head towards the Vegas area and the Lake Mead area.